Hi, my name is Deandra Evans and I am one of the owners of Breakers Billiards and Brews. We are here on Rosedale Highway here in beautiful Bakersfield, California. So we originally started because we had Junior League. The pool hall that was here kind of went out of business, COVID happened, and we needed a new place for league players and our junior players to come play. So my husband and I decided to take over, open the doors, and we've grown it into a little bit more. And we're very excited for what's to come. We have several league options that you can play and you can jump on in and learn. Billiards is a very popular sport. A lot of people are starting to get back into the game. It is very family friendly. We do offer 1 hour free pool when you do come in with a $20 purchase, as long as you do have the Bakersfield Savings Pass. If you're looking for a good challenge, come on down to Breakers Billiards and Brews because there's always somebody here to challenge you or you can challenge them, and I think you'll find some fun in that. We will be waiting for you with a cold beer, cold drink, and a game of pool.